Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just a quick video just showing you how to reset the service light on this 2019 Mercedes Vito van. Now, I've just done it once. I did have it on there, it's got rid of it, so I can't show you the actual message now. But if we just run through it, just to start with anyway. So the main thing is you need to get to the main trip screen just on there. And you're just going to put the ignition on stage one. Just one click of the key. Then all you're going to do is press and hold the phone button. Then immediately after, press and hold the OK button and keep them both depressed. So 1, 2. Then you get a new menu come up. You can release the button then. Then we're going to use the scroll arrows up and down and the OK button. You can just scroll down to where it says Assist Plus. Just press OK. You can then scroll down to Full Service. Just give you an option there, Service A. Can't quite focus on it, but it just says confirm with OK basically. Just confirm it again, and just confirm it there. Just say this one's just saying full service could not be completed. That's basically because I've already run through it, and once you've done the service light reset, it won't let you do it again immediately after that. So once you've done it, I'm just going to exit out of that. All you'll then need to do is just turn the ignition off, just strike it up just to allow it to register. Sometimes if you just turn the ignition on, it doesn't properly register. But once you've done that, the service light will then be reset. So hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.